There was a huge crack right there. I originally thought it was just a red stripe or scrape. So there's a big fiberglass patch there. A smoothing compound over it. It came out pretty nice. I think it looks really good. There's certainly more to do here, but everything is sealed, leak proof. And once the paint's on there, it'll look really nice. I'm gonna get bronze rod for the front hole right there. It had been replaced before with an iron one that rotted. Tomorrow I'll put a new one in there. I had to reform the hole, as you can see. But overall, the bottom looks pretty good. I'm gonna put the paint on next. This is what she looks like after one coat of, oops, almost fell over, epoxy Interlux below the waterline paint. It's good and thick, so it fills up all the little bumps and nicks and cracks. Makes it look pretty nice. It's just a primer. Tomorrow it'll look different. The sides are gonna be white, and we're gonna put blue bottom paint on her. Make her look all bright and new, I think. It's gonna be a nice boat again.